evening, my dear kids. How are you today? I hope you have a terrific evening, as I am. Remember that we are here to help you with the science classes today. Do you remember that we have a practice that is called What is Science? And also you have a questionnaire that you have to solve. Okay, maybe you haven't finished. I don't know. But tonight I am going to show you the results so you can begin studying for next week's test. Yes, next week we have a test. So I want to share a document. Well, there are two documents that I need to share with you today. Let's have what is science, the practice done, okay? Here I am giving you all the answers for this practice. So if you haven't finished or if you have finished and you need to correct it, there you are. Number 1, the correct answer is D. Number 2, the correct answer is H. Number 3, the correct answer is B. In number 4, the correct answer is I. In number 5, the correct answer is D. And of course, the happy face. Also, I want to share with you another document that is the science questionnaire. I prepared it myself here on a piece of paper, but then I thought that maybe you could not understand the way I write. So I prefer to present it as a document, okay? So now here we have science questionnaire number 1. Which of the 5 senses should you use to observe a fossil at a museum? The answer is I should use sight to observe. Number 2, how do scientists study the natural world? By doing what? They study the natural world by asking questions and answering them through investigations. Number 3, what is spontaneous generation? It is the idea or process by which living things can come from non-living matter. Remember the maggots? What did the results of Reddy's experiment show? It showed that maggots come from the eggs of flies, not from other things. Smelly things. What did Dr. Reddy prove wrong with his experiment? He proved that rotten meat did not turn into maggots. It was the fly that came into the jar and put the eggs in there, and after a period, maybe 1 hour, then you get some larvae, and then you get maggots. Whoa. Okay, here from number 6 to number 8, we have opinion questions. Remember that sometimes I need you to give me your opinion because I want to know what you think. So from number 6 to number 8, you have to write what you think. Number 6, what is your opinion about snakes? Should your opinion affect how you investigate about them? Okay, you can have an idea when you read page 9. But if you ask me, I will tell you that I don't like snakes. Ew, I hate them. My opinion, of course, will affect the way I investigate about them. Why? Because they are so disgusting for me. I don't like them. 7. If you were William Higginbotham, inventor of the first video game, how would you have communicated about your game? Explain. Imagine that you are the inventor of the first video game. Well, any video game that you really like. How would you have communicated about your game? Of course, you need to investigate first, you need to have a prototype and you need to prove it. And when you get it right, and then you get your results, you need to communicate. How would you do it? That is your opinion. Number 8, which of the scientists described on pages 12 and 13 seems to have the most interesting career to you? You have to give me what you think. So why? Why do you think this scientist you like has the most interesting career? And you need to explain, okay? That is the questionnaire. And this is something that I really like. It looks like me, only with longer hair, but it looks like me. Remember that I always tell you that you need to give me evidence, of course. Okay, kids, this was the video for today. It was very short because it's only the way we were working with the practices. And guess what? I have a message for you. I miss you, kids. Thanks for watching. See you tomorrow. Enjoy your night. Bye.